Hey, everyone! Ready to dive into the inspiring weight loss journey of the legendary Shonda Rhimes? We're talking about the woman behind Grey's Anatomy and Scandal, who's turned her life around in the most incredible way. From losing a whopping 115 lbs to improving her health conditions, Shonda Rhimes is a testament that nothing is impossible with the right mindset, motivation and dedication. Let's uncover the secrets behind her incredible weight loss.
Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind channel, where we dive deep into the hottest celebrity weight loss trends and transformations.
So, what's the story? In 2018, Shonda Rhimes embarked on a life-changing mission. Not just for herself, but for her family. Her goal? To get healthier and be there for her kids. Here's how she did it. First up, diet. Shonda swapped out her old eating habits for a healthier approach. She embraced a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, veggies, and lots of water. No more late-night snacks or sugary treats. Just wholesome, nutritious food that fuels her day. Now, let's talk fitness. Shonda wasn't exactly a fan of exercise at first, but she found her rhythm with a mix of cardio and strength training. It wasn't about hitting the gym every day. It was about making movement a part of her routine. Even a short workout made a big difference. What's truly amazing is how Shonda's journey was about more than just shedding pounds. It was about making choices that would allow her to spend more time with her children and live a healthier, longer life. So, what's the takeaway? If Shonda Rhimes can make these powerful changes for her family, we can all find a little inspiration in her story. Sometimes, the simplest changes lead to the most profound results.
Don't forget to like this video and share this video to others who might benefit. Together, we can transform life. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.